What's going on, guys? My name is Anan, coming to you from Pensacola, Florida, and I just got started with this company called MyEcon. And what this company does is it's basically a personal financial success company. We show people how to increase their cash flow. Okay, so one of the things that we do is we show people how to correct their W-4 tax withholding, which brings home an additional, on average, anywhere from $200 to $500 or $600 per month. Which you can do things like pay down your credit card bills, your mortgage a lot faster. You can just throw money onto your debt that you have in your household. Okay. So also another thing is that we show people how to repair their credit to increase their credit score to above a 700 within 60 to 90 days. All right. Now, one of the reasons why I got started is because I've had problems with my credit for quite a while now, and it's gotten to a point where, I felt like I needed help in order to figure out how to repair my credit. Okay. And also, I just wanted more time. I worked overnight at a contact center of a bank, and the schedule that I was working was, it was taking a lot of time. I worked overnight from 7 p.m. to 6 a.m. Came home and tried to sleep, and most of the time I couldn't even sleep, so I just was tired. Pretty much the whole day, and I did it for a whole year, and I just couldn't do it anymore. So I had to figure out how to do something else. So I got started with this company, and it's helping me out a lot. Teaching me a lot about finances, a lot about controlling my debt, repairing my debt. The great thing about it is you don't send your personal information to a company out there and have someone fix your credit for you. It's a credit education system, so it has some videos that you watch that teach you step by step on what to do to get items deleted off your credit profile. Which is awesome because I'm the type of person, I like doing things for myself. So I'd rather not trust anybody else with my information, and because there's a lot of identity theft out there these days. So yeah, so I'm doing this to repair my credit, to learn how to increase my cash flow, and to learn how to invest for the future, because that's one of the things that MyEcon does help us do. There's a lot of investment strategies in the back office that comes with what's called an income shifting membership. Okay, because the strategies that they teach us are called income shifting. All right, so if you're out there and if you're interested in something like this, increasing your cash flow, coming home with anywhere from additional $200 to $500 per month, I want you to go ahead. There's going to be some information at the bottom of this video. It's going to be a link, and my email address and phone number will be on there also. So go ahead and send me a message if you'd like some more information about this company, what we're doing, and how we can help you and your household increase your cash flow, be able to pay down your debt faster, and everything else like that. Go ahead and send me a message. You can also email me, or you can text me. All right, guys. So this is Anan. I hope you're having an awesome day. It's weekend. It's Saturday today. So I just wanted to shoot this video real quick, and I hope to hear from you. Talk to you soon.